In the twilight glow of an electric revolution, Tesla stands as a beacon. The Model S greets you with its sleek, futuristic design and innovative spirit. As you step closer, the car begins to sense your presence immediately. In a moment, the flush door handles gracefully emerge from their concealment. It's as if the car extends a mechanical handshake, welcoming you on board. A blend of elegance and technology signals its cutting-edge aura. Every detail is crafted for a seamless interaction, leaving you impressed. The handles feel smooth, a testament to Tesla's meticulous engineering.